Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows installer keeps popping up or starting on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows installer service. Right click on it and then select start, or if it was started then select restart. The next solution is to update Windows. See, here's the thing. Once it is started, it won't keep popping up again and again to restart. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.